Re-adding past layers. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to re-add past layers. When we click on the Past Layers page from the Map Catalogs menu on the left menu, the layers that were added to the map before are listed. By activating the button next to the layer to be added to the map, the layer is added to the map again. The Delete button allows us to delete the layer from the history list. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.